Guys, it's Stereo. I hope you're doing well. I'm at Herolds Beach. The far end this time. I haven't been here before. You can see there's another little rock pool here. I'm just gonna walk in the shallow end. I didn't bring my dive gear with. Also, the water is quite rough, so I will come and dive here when it's low tide sometime and just have a look what's inside there. I'm going to work on this beach when the sun starts going down the mountain. I'll go on the far beach like I did before. It was quite a hot weekend, so I think there will be quite a bit of stuff on the beach. Yeah, but I'm going to try here for now. So actually my SD card got full and it didn't record some of the stuff. But what I have found so far is a couple of bottle caps. I've also found a 10 cent, I presume it is. I don't know if you can see that. And then I also said in one of my videos that the old 5 cents, South African 5 cent, is a silver coin. I actually found one of those now, which is cool. I'll clean it up and show you at home. Very pleased to have found that. I wish I could have kept that footage though. Yeah, but I'm using the yellow Garrick scoop today. And my Nocta macro simplex, and it's on this little beach. There's a lot of rocks, but there's so many signals, so hopefully I'll find something cool. Yeah, I've got the signals very high, 97, 90. Never seen a signal this high, so thinking coin, medium depth. It's very bouncy, maybe more than one thing. Let's have a look. I think I got it. It's long enough to scoop it. There we go, it's 2 rand. Yeah, very cool. I got a very bouncy, with very high number, 91, 92, 80. Okay, let's have a look. Oh yeah. It's 1 rand, I think so. Yeah, cool. 1 rand. Awesome. Look at that, guys. I was wondering when that would climb out. So another one to the collection. Yeah. It's rusty. It's crusty. It's almost rusted through there, but we're going to take it anyway. Okay, I've got another very, very high, slightly bouncy signal here. Let's dig it. There we go. It took long enough. I don't even know what it is. It's an old coin. I have no idea what it can be, or that it is. Maybe a 5 cent. And they were 5 cent. Clean it up and see it, eh? Solid 60, 70, something like that. Found a very corroded 1 rand. Very cool. Strong signal. Let's see what it is. It's nail clippers. Oh. Touch that. That's the other part of Herolds Beach. There's no one on the beach. I cannot believe it. Crazy. Yeah, so quite nice for me. I'm sure this weekend was really busy because it was very warm. So yeah, let's have a look. Okay, so I've got a signal here. Very bouncy. 10 penny. I'm sure it's a 10 pen or a bottle cap. very bouncy. So these coins are so random. I got a 10 cent. I almost left it. It's the same signal, very broken up. Maybe foil, maybe they were coin, I don't know. An old coin. Very crusted up. Very cool. Okay, so I've come across quite a, it's deep, but it's a strong signal. 85, 81, quite strong. Let's see, probably a coin, probably a 1 rand or 2 rand. Yeah, 2 rand. There we go, another 2 rand. Awesome. There we go, another. It's very jumpy, but it's very strong. So it is. It's a nut. Screw to the washer, busted. I'm back home. So I went to Herolds Bay. I wasn't there for too long, maybe 3 or close to 4 hours. And I didn't find too much. The last time I went there I found lots and lots, but I did go to the far right side first where I haven't been. There's lots of signals. I'd like to go there again. Also like to get into that little rock pool, and then I went to the main beach, and yeah, I found some stuff. I found very cool stuff actually. I found that 5 cent, so I'm quite pleased with that. Here's my finds. So like I say, I don't mind keeping the bottle caps and getting them off the beach. So, you know, and there was so many, especially on the far right side. So I just dug most of them, and then I chucked them away afterwards. And I found that. It's pretty disgusting, but yeah, I didn't really touch it much. I'm very careful. I'm gonna throw that away. Found some other junk, some pull tabs, a little screw. I found the nastiest, most rusted tent pen so far. Yeah, it's been there a while. Okay, before I get to the coins, I kept this little shell. In one of my previous videos I said I got an abalone, which is a alikrekel, and the shell, and this is the other part of it. So that's why I kept this. This is a small one. They are rare, so that's why I kept that little one. Okay, so the coins, I got 2 2 rands, I got 2 1 rands. The one doesn't look like a 1 rand, this one. It's been there probably really long, and maybe even fake, so it's pretty busted. Found some nasty 10 cents. I think it's a 50 cent, I'm unsure. And then I found the 5 cent. I did clean these coins. I don't normally do, but I did clean these once. And why? Because I wanted to show you what the 5 cent looked like. So it's got a, I think it's a blue crane. It's our national bird. I think it's got a blue crane on it. I can't see the date on it. but I'm sure it's something like 1970 something. I'm not unsure. So that's a very cool find. That's the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. My next trip, I'm going to go to Plettenberg Bay. It's my hometown, and I'm going to go really early, probably tomorrow, and I will do some metal detecting there. So subscribe, press the bell icon, see that video. Yeah, have a good night, guys. Thanks a lot.